Hey, how's it going out there, everybody? Gun Psychiatrist here, and in this video, we are going to be showing how to use the web tool in Fusion 360 in our tutorial. So without further ado, let's get right to it. Before we do, if you found any of these tutorial videos helpful, I would encourage you to hit that like button below. Leave me a comment, let me know these are working for you, and also consider subscribing to the channel. Let's go ahead and start this video by opening a new Fusion 360 design file. And we're going to go ahead and create a sketch. And we're going to create a center point rectangle. Let's call it 6 by 6. I'll set this by 0.5. And then we're going to show you a new feature. So here's this break feature. And so we click this. And we click this, we click this and this. What that does is it actually breaks this continuous line and breaks it down from this segment. Let's make a small line here. Why don't we do 8 inches? And we're going to re-highlight our sketch. And now we're going to take our web tool and we're going to click that. And we're going to make that 0.5. And then distance, okay, 8 inches with flipping the direction. All right, there you go. Same thing. So this is how we use the web feature in Fusion. So in this video, you saw us demonstrate how we do a web feature. If you find these things helpful in any way, shape, or form, please leave me a comment below, like, and click that subscribe button. Let us know you're out there watching and help us beat the algorithm. Anyways, until next time, I'm the Gun Psychiatrist signing off. God bless America again.